Hey everyone, so this is my iPad. It's iPad Pro 2020, okay? And also I have uploaded an unboxing video recently. If you are interested in checking out, you can check it out, okay? And also I'll link the video in the description box if you are interested, okay? So this is my iPad Pro 2020, and this is how the first page looks like, okay? And the wallpaper, if you are interested in wallpaper, then it's from I have just typed as a aesthetic wallpaper for iPad on Chrome browser, and I got to found this and I have edited it a bit, okay? So this is my wallpaper, and okay. So, and over here it's written as welcome to iPad, and here's the battery percentage, and here's the location, okay? And that's it. And if we scroll like this sidewards, here we have got FaceTime. I don't use that. And next I have got calendar. I never used this also, so you can see it's a normal calendar. I didn't use it, okay? So clock, I didn't use the clock also. You can see it's set as a San Francisco, New York, London, Moscow, and Beijing, Tokyo, Sydney. Where am I? In India. It's world clock. I didn't set it, okay? And home, I didn't use this also. Oh my god, you can add accessories if you are interested in adding anything, okay? And here I have got my photos, okay? I'll show you guys. I'll show you a few of my photos, okay? I haven't uploaded any of my pictures revealing my face, okay? Have deleted all those things, and I'm showing for you these photos, okay, currently. So you can see these are a few of my photos, and here's my dog's picture. I have edited it a bit, and this was the sketch drawn by me on Autodesk sketchbook, okay? It's really good, right? So that was my first sketch. This was my first one, and this is my second sketch, okay? Actually I had this wallpaper, I had this set as wallpaper, but for this video I have opted for this sort of wallpaper, okay? And next I've got camera. So these are the camera looks. Nothing special. It's just a normal camera, okay? And also you have got a portrait mode, okay? So next have got reminders. I didn't use this also till now. You can, if you wanted to get if you wanted to be reminded of anything, you can just note it down over here. And next notes, I didn't use this also. This was while unboxing iPad Pro 2020, in the video itself I have just written this, okay? I'll just erase it. I don't know how to erase, guys. Okay, I'll try. Okay, I'll write something, okay? We'll write something. I don't know how does it look, but I'll try, okay? That's it. It's notes, okay? You can write notes also, you can take notes. I'll show you guys. And also you can adjust your heading, subheading and all, okay? I'll just show you. Okay, I have taken this, and you can write the notes, okay? Like that, okay? And that's it. This is for note taking, okay? And here I have got voice memos. I didn't use till now. You can record if you wanted to record something like this, and you can click on done option after it's if after the recording has been done. Okay, and here's my contacts, and over here I have got maps, but I didn't use it till now. And here it's Find My. I don't know what Find My iPad, I think so. I never used it. And here I have got App Store. It's similar to the Play Store on Android mobiles, okay, but on iPhones and iPads we'll get to see App Store. And over here books, I didn't use it till now. Okay, you need to connect it to mobile data. Okay, this is the Wi-Fi only, guys. Okay, this I opted for Wi-Fi only. This doesn't have any cellular option. Okay, and next I have got a podcast and Apple TV, stocks, measure, and over here settings. Okay, and if you wanted to connect to Wi-Fi, over here you will get to see Wi-Fi option also. Okay, click on that and turn on the Wi-Fi option like this, and it will get connected. Okay, and if you wanted to change wallpaper, if you scroll down like this, here you will get to see wallpaper. You can choose any of the wallpapers. Okay, choose a new wallpaper, and you can choose any stills from here. Okay, like this you can set your wallpaper. Okay, and so these are the things we get to see on the first page. Okay, and all these are the default applications. Okay, yeah, all those things are default. In default they provide us. Okay, and over here on the bottom you will get to see these icons. Same FaceTime, Safari browser. Safari browser is similar to the Chrome browser on Android devices. Okay, and Apple Music or iTunes, and mails, files, books, voice memos, and settings. Okay, and on the second page you will get to see photo booth. I haven't tried anything on that till now. It's just that I'll show you guys. So it captures in various angles. Okay, photos. I'll go back. Okay, and next I have got shortcuts. I didn't use it till now. You can just create shortcut applications like that. Okay, and next iTunes store. I didn't use it till now. And the tips, it's a default application, and iTunes and shortcuts, photo booth are default applications. Okay, and from here onwards I have downloaded all these applications. Okay, so here's the Christian radio application. You need to just connect Wi-Fi, and you can listen to the online radio. Okay, online Christian radio. All the Christian songs will be played on this radio station. Okay, and YouTube. And the next is Fonto. I'll show you guys. Okay, for example I'll show you. I'll just upload a picture, and so we'll take this picture, and done. And if you click like this, you can add text on it. Okay, hi everyone. So like this, you can also adjust the size of the text. Okay, here you can adjust the size of the text and the font also, like this. Okay, it's really cool application, guys, Fonto, and I use it for editing thumbnails also. Okay, and next is iMovie application. It's video editing software application. You need to download it from App Store. And next is Wink Music. I'll show you. As I'm a Airtel user, I'll use Wink for free. Okay, so I have downloaded a few of my favorite songs. I'll show you guys. Okay, so these are my few of the favorite songs. Okay, so this is the Wink Music. And next is Chrome browser. Same like what is same? It's a Chrome browser. Okay, and next is a B612 camera. It's all of you guys know, right? It's used for taking pictures or videos by applying filters. Okay, and InShot is again a video editing application I use for editing my videos. And next is Autodesk Sketchbook. Okay, I use it for editing my thumbnails and also sometimes videos. Okay, if I wanted to add any text on my video, I edit the text first on Autodesk Sketchbook, and I insert that picture on my video. Okay, so Autodesk Sketchbook, and next is PicsArt. PicsArt again is used for photo editing. I edit my thumbnails on PicsArt also. PicsArt, Fonto and Autodesk Sketchbook. I use these 3 apps to edit my thumbnails. Okay, and iMovie, and here we have got KineMaster. So iMovie and KineMaster and InShot are video editing applications, whereas Autodesk Sketchbook, Fonto and PicsArt are photo editing applications. Okay, and next over here we have got Canva. Canva is again editing software. You can edit YouTube thumbnails, YouTube profile pictures, Facebook profile pictures, Instagram profile pictures, and everything else. Okay, on Canva. And also it's a paid application, but you can use it without paying also. And next is YT Studio or YouTube Studio. And next I have got VLLO, and again this is a video editing application. It's really good, guys. I really like this application. Okay, I'll show you for example. Okay, just I'll click on this, and so you can play like this. Okay, and you can also add text to it on top of it like this. Okay, and you can make partial editing on it by clicking on this partial setting option. Okay, you can I'll show you guys. Wait, so you need to click on this and click on this partial setting option, and next you can change the background. Okay, like this. I'll make a in-depth video on this VLLO application. Okay, so it looks like this when we play the video. So it's really good looking, but I just didn't like the quality. So this is how it looks, and I'm really sorry for all those noises, guys. I can't do anything. My house is situated near the road. Okay, main road. I can't do anything for that. I'm sorry. So this is a really cool application, VLLO. And next is FlipperKip. Have recently downloaded this application. It's used for creating animations. Okay, animated pictures. And next is Camera Connect. It's used to transfer photos and videos from my Canon camera to this iPad also. Okay, and next is Imaging Edge application. This is used to transfer photos and videos from Sony cameras to iPad or any Android mobiles or iPhones. Okay, so these are the applications on my iPad, guys. That's it. I don't have any additional. And if this video was helpful, or else if you liked my video, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button and turn on the notification bell. And please share it with your friends and family also, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.